guys! Today we are doing an unboxing of like what one would it be? Third one, Nightmare Box. I'm looking at Sam because Sam's currently filming. It's very weird. Okay. Dun dun dun. Sam's smiling currently right now. This is what happens generally behind the scenes. Can't get open now. Na 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 na. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Lucky. That's like full on blown out brains. Right there. Put that aside. You can read that later. That's creepy. So creepy. I might have nightmares. I'm being genuine. I might very well have nightmares. I might not sleep. And then just like genuinely not sleep. Oh, he's so weird. It's creepy. I don't like the Freddy Krueger. They freak me out sometimes. Occasionally will freak me out. What is in here? What's that? It's a zombie. It's a baker zombie. It's a genuine baker zombie. That's quite amusing. Hang on. No, got caught. Let's see what this is. Oh, guessing it's a poster of some kind. Oh god. Oh god. Creepy.
Krueger again.
Oh no, it's Frankenstein.
Yep.
It's got Dracula on it as well. Ooh. Is that the Halloween guy?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's the Halloween guy. Hang on. Roll it back up. Rolling. Shuffling. That's adorable. I can watch that again at some point. What's this? Zomblings. It's a little tiny zombie. Hang on. Let's see. See the little tiny zombie friend. Oh, he's weird. He's jelly. What is it? I'm so confused right. I got it in my hair. You're being exceptionally quiet. Hang on, let's see what it says. You could have got a bat. That would have been so appropriate. A bat. What's this one? I have no idea. It's so confusing. I will find that out later. Right. 2 more things. Oh. Popping candy. Scary strawberry. I don't know how strawberries are scary, but apparently they are this time. So, there you go. And finally, what's this? Oh my god, it's Chucky. Oh, so creepy. So creepy.
Tickle me, Chucky.
Wanna play? Oh wow, that's creepy. I like the colour though.
Nice red colour, yeah.
It's all snuggly. Yeah, blood and everything.
Covered in blood.
Yes, covered in blood. So that's like, I think that's pretty darn cool.
Yeah, you got
Freddy's
Krueger.
a little bit creepy, but it's okay.
You can sit in him in your room and you'll be able to look at him and go,
Oh, he even has the clawy hand.
Yeah, he does. Shows in the picture. At the side on the left.
Oh, that makes more sense. I didn't see that. I didn't see that at all. Yes. That is the unboxing over and done with. I like the little... Look at him, he's just so adorable. Even has a cupcake, Sam. He even has a cupcake. Yes, now I have to end it, and I always feel awkward with these ending ones. Yeah. Your face is just like, end it.
It was sign out for us.
Over and out. I think that counts as well.
No. I know what you say at the end of your videos. Are you ready? Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and happy reading. Bye bye.